Hi guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to make a rum old fashioned. And for this reason, we teamed up with the guys from Flor De Caña, which is a beautiful and delicious rum from Nicaragua. It's a 7-year-old and it's finished in ex-bourbon casks, so it lends itself perfectly for this kind of cocktail. Hope you enjoy it and see you soon.
Hi, I'm Kay. I'm back here at TT Liquor as always, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really lovely rum old fashioned. Now we're actually serving this drink as part of our TT Liquor Cigar Club, which takes place up on our roof terrace. Now this is a stirred drink, so I'm going to be making it in a mixing glass and then straining it into my rocks glass. So first thing we need for our rum old fashioned is some sugar, and I've made a really nice little syrup from Demerara sugar. Now you could just use standard simple syrup for this, but I think to go with the nice kind of warm flavors in the rum, it's a little bit nicer to use Demerara. Now I don't need very much of this. I literally just need about 5 mils of my Demerara syrup. Next thing going in there is going to be some bitters. Now in a traditional old fashioned we'd use Angostura, but as this is a rum old fashioned, we're going to switch it up a little bit. I've got two kinds of bitters. I've got some orange bitters and some chocolate bitters, and I'm just going to do a dash of each. So I'll do a dash of my orange bitters and a little dash of these lovely chocolate bitters. And now for the main ingredient, which is of course rum. We're using this lovely Flor De Caña rum, which is aged 7 years in a bourbon barrel, comes from Nicaragua. We want a nice healthy pour. We're gonna do 60 mils of our rum. So I'm gonna fill up the big side of my measure to give me 50, and then just use the little side for an extra 10 and chuck that in as well. Now we need to stir it. Most important thing with an old fashioned is to stir it with love, give it time, and really let it dilute down and cool down. So I'm going to put some cubed ice in my mixing glass and we'll stir it down for a good couple of minutes. I'm going to grab myself a nice rocks glass. I'm going to put some fresh cubed ice in there, and I'm just going to strain this over the ice. And then to finish it, we just want a nice little orange twist for a garnish. So I'm going to grab an orange and just peel a nice big twist off of that. Rub it around the rim to get some of the flavour on there as well. And we'll pop the orange twist in the glass. And that is our rum old fashioned ready to drink.